Hi friends, so in this video we're going to check out some of the foods that can keep your uric acid levels normal, and they are easily available at your home. So let's start with the number one food that can be helpful, that is apples. So add apples in your diet as they are enriched with malic acid. They neutralize uric acid in bloodstream. So if your uric acid is a little bit higher, you should probably eat apples. Okay, then the next food is apple cider vinegar. Intake of apple cider vinegar is also beneficial for people suffering with uric acid, with high uric acid. Okay, so you can add 3 to teaspoons of vinegar to 1 glass of water. You can have it 2-3 days every day. Drinking apple cider vinegar helps in treating high uric acid conditions. So the next food that you should probably consume is French bean juice. Okay, and this has to be consumed twice a day, and it prevents the production of high uric acid in blood. So if the doctor is saying that your uric acid is a little bit higher, you should probably consume French bean juice. Then the number one natural medicine for almost every disease is water. So you should always have water, and the best quantity of water is at least 8 to 9 glasses every day, and this also helps in producing excess in stopping the production of excess uric acid. Then there are cherries. So as they have anti-inflammatory substance referred to as anthocyanins, it helps in reducing uric acid levels. Okay, then you should also consume berries, because berries uh, are enriched with anti-inflammatory properties. Including them in your diet is beneficial to prevent high uric acid levels in blood. So you can consume uh, strawberries and blueberries. They are most recommended to control the uric acid levels. Then fresh vegetable juices are always a very good source of high nutrients and proteins. So you should probably drink carrot juice and beetroot juice and cucumber juice, so that you can treat high uric acid levels in your blood. Then there is also low fat dairy products that can help you in preventing your uric acid to reach a high level. So you should consume low fat milk and curd and prevent high uric acid in blood. Then the next food that we'll be talking about is lime, and lime is something that contains citric acid, a solvent of uric acid. So adding it in your daily diet is helpful in preventing high uric acid levels. Okay, squeeze half a lime juice in a glass of water and have it every day. This will help you in preventing high uric acid levels. Then you should also increase the intake of your vitamin C enriched foods. So this also helps you in maintaining uric acid levels. These foods disintegrate uric acid and flushes it out of the body. Such foods are kiwi, amla, guava, kiwi, oranges, lemon, etc. Okay. Then there are olive oil. So instead of using normal oil for your cooking, you should probably cook your food with cold pressed olive oils. So this is a healthy start as it contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Then the next food that you should consume is celery seed. One of the most popular home remedies to treat high uric acid levels is by consuming celery seeds. So these also help you in preventing high uric acid levels. Then there are pinto beans. Pinto beans are loaded with folic acid, which helps in lowering uric acid naturally. Okay, you can also eat sunflower seeds and lentils to reduce the risk of high levels of uric acid in your blood. Then there are high fiber foods, and adding foods that are high in dietary fiber also helps in lowering your uric acid levels in blood. So there are some foods that are rich in high fibers are oats, apples, oranges, broccoli, pears, strawberries, blueberries, cucumbers, celery, carrots, etc. Okay, and then there is this banana, and keeping bananas in your diet is also beneficial in lowering excess uric acid levels. Okay, so you should probably keep bananas in your diet, and that will help you maintain your uric acid levels. Then instead of drinking normal tea or coffees, you should go with green tea, because consuming green tea every day can treat high uric acid levels. This also helps in controlling hyperuricemia or high uric acid levels. Okay. Then grains. So have grains that are more alkaline. You can consume jowar and bajra. You can Google what jowar and bajra is if you do not know what they are, and they are easily available in the markets everywhere in the world. So try to get jowar and bajra in your diet to lower your high uric acid levels. Then there are tomatoes, cucumbers, and broccoli. Having tomatoes, cucumber, and broccoli before starting a meal is the best way to prevent the formation of high uric acid in your blood. Their alkaline nature is helpful to maintain uric acid in bloodstream. Okay, so you do not go overboard with the uric acid in your blood. Then there is this omega-3 fatty acids. So you can have flax seeds, fish such as salmon, mackerel, herring, sardines, and walnuts, as they help in reducing swelling and inflammation. There are also some tablets available for this omega-3, but instead of that, you can probably eat the fish directly. So this is all that we have for today, and please subscribe to the channel iReallyGood Life for more such educative videos on home remedies and natural ways of treating your body and keeping it healthy. Thanks, and don't forget to hit the like button.